If you try to install regular Windows 11 Home or Pro on a PC that doesn't meet the system requirements, this is what happens. Let's go through the installation process. Let's click on agree. Next, I don't have product key. We are getting few things ready. Let's see. And look at this. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. This is what happens when you try to install it on unsupported hardware. But if you go and download this edition of Windows 11 called Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC, this is what happens. This time I'm going to choose the LTSC edition of Windows 11 and I'm going to boot the same virtual machine. Okay, now let's go through the installation process. Okay, let's agree. Next, we are getting few things ready, accept, like searching for disk, and you can see it didn't say that your PC doesn't support Windows 11. It's installing Windows 11 without any issue. Now, here is a thing. While it's installing, let's talk about a few things here. Usually, this is how we download the Windows 11. We go to this official website, okay, and then either we download the media creation tool or we can download the ISO file of Windows 11. Normally, this is the edition of Windows 11 we are going to use, or when you buy a new PC which comes with Windows 11, this is the edition which is going to be on your PC. And the system requirements for this thing is just crazy, in my opinion. I think it is too soon to have this type of system requirements. We all get it that Microsoft wants to secure their operating system and all that, but not everybody is going to have required hardware to run Windows 11. As you saw here, this is a Windows 11. It's also a official unmodified Windows 11. The only difference is that this is a different edition, Windows 11 LTSC, which is made for big companies like the airport, hospitals, banks, and all that, you know. And in this edition, all the Windows 11 system requirements are optional. If your PC meets the system requirements, good. But if it doesn't meet the system requirements, it's still good. You can install it. I mean, my PC actually meets the system requirements, but still I don't use BitLocker and also secure boot. What I'm trying to say here is that Microsoft should make these features or system requirements optional for home users too. They're just forcing home users to buy a new hardware. Right now, what they should do is make these system requirements optional, like they have with the Windows 11 LTSC editions, just make it similar to this. If your PC meets the system requirements for Windows 11, yeah, good. User can enable all the security features that you're offering. But if it doesn't meet the system requirements, install it anyway without additional security and whatnot. And maybe put some text on the screen while installing that your PC is missing this part and this part, so your PC won't be secure. Just make a term and condition thingy like where we have to accept, install it anyway or something like that. That would be much better, I think. All I'm trying to say here is that this is a sudden transition. Microsoft should do it a bit slowly, like maybe for at least 5 years from now, make these features optional, okay? And then maybe by the 5 years, maybe people will buy new hardware. There will be less PCs which doesn't support Windows 11's new system requirements and all that. Yeah, I think this will be much better approach by Microsoft. I'm just saying, okay? I don't know. I'm not the one who's running the company. This is just a suggestion. I'm not saying hold your horses, just slow down your horses, at least for 5 years from now on. And by then, I think we can slowly transition to the new system requirements. And one more thing, you can download the Windows 11 LTSC from official website, all right? You'll get a free trial, or they call it a 90 days evaluation, okay? For 90 days, you'll be able to use this without any issues. This is enough for testing purposes, and this is why, you know, Microsoft allows you to download the Windows 11 LTSC from their official website. So whoever wants to use Windows 11, you know, LTSC, they can, you know, try out, test out all the things in Windows, and then, you know, purchase the license for it. So that's how it goes. Yeah, if you want to try this, you can get it from here, the official website. And you can also check out the minimum system requirements. Okay, so these are the system requirements. This is the preferred minimum system requirements. It's like if you have these, very good. The RAM, the processor, the storage, UEFI, TPM, everything that is in the normal Windows 11. It is similar, like same system requirements as the normal Windows 11 system requirements. Okay, but these are optional. If you don't have it, you can still install this. So you can see the TPM optional, secure boot optional, even the UEFI is optional. So you can still install this on a system that has BIOS system. You can install this thing even if you have like only 2 GB of RAM. This is something that Microsoft should also do with the normal Windows 11. Okay, preferred minimum system requirements, we all get it. Okay, if we want our system to be more secure, we want this. Okay, if we care about the security and all that, okay, this is a good thing for security. We are not saying this is bad thing, but what if we don't have, or what if we don't want to use all these things? Yeah, just make it optional. I'm not saying forever, just a couple of years, maybe minimum 5 years, and after that we'll slowly transition. There is no problem. And here it is, the Windows 11 LTSC. Look at the start menu, it's clean already. And these are the only pre-installed apps. Let me go into the about section, about your PC. And let's zoom in, and you can see it's installed on 2 GB of RAM. And I don't know, for some reason, this thing feels much snappier than the normal Windows 11. Probably because of the lots of bloat. Plus, the normal Windows 11 is probably always looking for the missing things if you somehow install it on unsupported hardware like TPM and all that. Since in this edition it's like optional, maybe it's not looking for all the things that is required. I mean, yeah, that could be the reason, right? I mean, yeah, I don't know. But for real, this feels much snappier and clean. So this is the official Windows 11 edition, which actually supports unsupported hardware. I don't know if that's how you say it, but you got it, right? So yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or you want to discuss about the Windows 11 and its system requirements, please do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.